Hi, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, let's walk you through how to clean a water cooler. So let's get started. Step number 1. Open the air cooler. The tool that we can use is a screwdriver. Make sure you choose the fitted one in your availability. Notice that if this is the first time you're opening an air cooler, then remember to get a tray to put all of your screws, just in case that you might drop it or get it lost somewhere. Next, get all the screws out. Step number 2. Remove the water cooling pads out of its tray. Okay, in this step, it depends on your air cooler tray to either you're gonna hold a little press on the pad from the upper side and withdraw it, or lift it up a little bit and withdraw it. Also, repeat this step for all of your cooling pads in the cooler. Step number 3. Remove all the water left in the tank. Find the outfall for your water tank, twist to open it, and remove the water out. Step number 4. Clean the cooling pads. The cooling pads are often made of paper or soft materials. It is also where most of the dust stay and stuck in. It's recommended to soak it in a big water pot for a while and use a soft bristle brush or use a sprayer to clean it easily. Put the cooling pads away for drying. Step number 5. Clean the cover of the cooling pads. Use a brush to dust off these pads. Soak it in water for easily remove the dust. Step number 6. Clean the upper water tank. It's recommended to clean this with soft cloth. In the corner of the tank, there are dust, so you can use a swab or a toothpick. After that, pour some water from the upper tank here and let the water flow down on its own. Step number 7. Clean the water tipping drop-offs. Once you've let the water drop off from the upper tank, use a toothpick, a small round metal rub or cable to rub through these tipping water points. Pour the water and keep removing those dust off that small pipes. Step number 8. Clean the lower water tank. Here are a few notices. Clean the water tank with wet soft cloth or soft brush. To remove all the dust stuck in the tank, you might use a water sprayer to spray inside this tank. Don't touch on the water pump. Don't spray water to any other upper parts. Step number 9. Clean the fan's front. If it's easy for you to open the front fan, then remove all the parts and clean them as a normal table fan. After all cleaning process is done, just get all of your water cooler dry a bit. Then start to reassemble it and start using the cooler again. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye for now.